Let's review. Water. Water transports. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Yes, water transports. Okay? So, can you find, oh, where? Where is the submarine number? It's color yellow. Okay, that's good. And where is the boat? Boat. Okay, very good. Okay. And oh, where is the canoe?
Number four.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Okay. And where is the ship?
Number two.
Okay. And where is the yacht?
Number three.
Okay. All right. So that is good. Okay. Very good. So again, let's say them. Okay. So Tam,
Boat.
this is a
Boat.
boat. Very good. And oh, Tam, what is this?
It is a ship.
Very good. And what is this?
It is a
Yacht.
yeah.
Yacht. Again, this is a yacht.
It is a yacht.
Okay, very good. And what is this?
It is a king.
Ka?
Pika.
Ka? Canoe.
Canoe.
Again, canoe.
Canoe.
Okay, good. And what is this?
It is a
Sub? Submarine.
shop.
Again, submarine.
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 Okay, good. All right. Let's look at the animals. Oh, I like this animal.
I don't like the animals.
Ah, you don't?
Yeah.
Oh, this one, I like this. Okay, so this is a sloth.
Right.
Sloth.
Right.
Uh-huh. Okay, again, sloth,
Right.
right? Okay, how do you spell sloth? S?
Right. Ha.
Uh-huh.
Right.
Sloth. Okay, so I like this sloth. Oh, it's very cute. Okay. All right. And, oh, this one. What is this?
It's a parrot.
Okay. What's the color of the parrot?
blue and blue and blue and orange.
Okay, that's good, right? Oh, and then parrot can speak, okay? And how do you spell parrot?
Puck,
Uh-huh.
puck,
Ah?
cheese,
Uh-huh.
quack,
P-A-R-R.
puck, rock, rock,
Uh-huh.
rock,
Okay.
rock,
Yes. Parrot. That's good.
rock,
Okay.
up,
Oh,
up,
oh, oh, it walks very slowly. Come in. Very slow. What is this? So this is a sloth. Okay. Again, sloth. Oh, sorry, sloth. Snail. Sorry, snail. Okay, snail. What's the color of the snail? S N snail. Okay, snail. All right. And oh, this one. Oh, I don't like this. What is this?
I don't like you. I don't like you.
Uh-huh. Yeah, what is this?
Mouse.
Oh, how do you spell mouse?
M. O.
Mm-hmm. Okay, mouse. And look, what does the mouse like to eat? Oh, the mouse likes to eat cheese.
Trees.
Cheese. Okay. All right. Okay. So now again, how do you spell mouse? It's Mouse.
O. M. O.
Mm-hmm. Okay, mouse, right? And oh, I'm scared. What is this?
I'm scared.
Uh-huh. Okay, yeah. So this is a go.
Gorilla.
Okay, good. All right. So it's like a big monkey. Okay. But very big. So how do you spell gorilla? G.
La. I. La. La.
Uh-huh. Okay, so say again. Gorilla.
Gorilla.
Okay, that's good. And oh, it's very cute. What is this? It's a
I don't
you
know.
don't like? Oh, I like this one. So this is a squirrel.
Squirrel.
Okay, again, squirrel.
Squirrel.
Okay, yes, all right. How do you spell squirrel?
S
Uh-huh.
Look. Look.
Uh-huh. Okay. All right. Good. Again, say squirrel.
Squirrel.
Okay, very good, Taman. Okay, so again, let's say them one more time, Taman. So you say this is a
This is a
sloth.
clock.
Sloth.
Clock.
Okay, good. Right. And oh, this is
Parrot.
okay, very good. And what is this?
Snail.
Okay, good. And what is this?
Mouse.
Oh, what is this?
Gorilla.
What's the color of the gorilla?
Black.
Okay, very good. And what is this?
Squirrel.
All right, very good. Okay, so good job. Okay, so now look at number one, Tam-an. Okay, so circle yes or no. So I say, is it a sloth?
No.
Oh, look, is it a sloth? Sloth? Ah, oh,
Uh,
again, is it a sloth?
yeah.
Yes. Okay, so let's circle. Let's circle. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And, oh, Taman, is it a snail?
No.
No?
It's a gorilla.
Okay, yes. Very good. Gorilla. Okay. And, oh, is it a mouse?
Yes. It's
Oh,
a mouse.
okay, very good. Right? And, oh, Taman. Oh, sorry. Oh, how about this? Number four. Is it a gorilla?
No.
No?
It's a squirrel.
Oh, very good. And, okay. And number five. Is it a parrot?
Yes. It is a parrot.
Okay, yes. Very good. Okay. So now, Taman. Oh, look. What is this?
Parrot.
Hmm. Oh, it's a mouse?
No.
Oh, what is it?
Parrot.
Okay, very good. And oh, look at number two, Tam-an. What is it?
It is a gorilla.
Okay, good. Right? And what is it?
It is a snail.
Okay, very good. And what is it?
It is a I don't know.
Oh, you have to practice saying sloth.
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 All right, so that's good. Again, what is it, Tam-an?
Sloth.
All right, so that's good. Okay, good job. And, oh, what letter is this?
Let the W.
Oh, what's the sound of W?
What?
Very good. So can you write W?
Mm.
How do you write it? So, 1, 2, 3, 4.
One, two,
1,
three,
2.
four.
Okay, so again, wa, Window.
Window.
Okay. Water.
Water. Water.
And worm.
Warm.
Again,
Warm.
worm.
Warm.
Okay. And what is this? Do you eat this, Taman?
Yes.
What is this? This is
Watermelon.
yes, very good. Good job.
Water.
Yes.
Water.
Yeah, I have here water. Where's your water? Let me show me your water. Okay. Oh, drink. Okay. All right. So look, Taman, what is this?
It's a parrot.
Oh, what's the missing letter?
Letter P.
Oh, where is letter P?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. All right. And oh, this one, Taman. Oh, what is this?
Korea.
Oh, what's the missing letter?
Letter E.
Okay. All right. So good job. Okay. All right. So remember, Taman, if it's only one, what will you say? There?
R.
Only one? One.
There is.
Okay, good. All right. But if they are two, what will you say?
There are.
Oh, very good. Okay, so look. So you say?
There is. There
Okay.
is letter.
Yes, very good. And oh, look. What will you say?
There is.
There?
There are a parrot.
Okay, very good. All right. Again, there are parrots.
There are parrots.
Okay, good job, Daman. And oh, sloth. Sloth. What will you say? There?
There, there is a
Sloth. And there
there
is...
are
Oh, it's only
there
one. So there
is
is a
there
sloth.
is
There is a sloth.
there is a star.
All right, very good. Okay, and oh, look. There?
There there are
Uh-huh.
there are a
Go.
kangaroo.
Gory.
There
Say, there are
are Korea.
gorillas. Very good. Okay, and there?
There are a squirrel.
Okay, good. Okay, there are squirrels.
There are squirrels.
Okay, perfect. Good job. Okay. So again, let's say them one more time. Taman. Okay. Say, there is a snail.
There is snail.
Okay, and there is a sloth.
There is the stop.
There are parrots.
There are parrots.
There are squirrels.
There are squirrels.
There are gorillas.
There are squirrels.
Okay, so that's good. Yay! All right, so keep practicing them, Tam-an. Okay? All right, so it's time to say goodbye now, Tam-an. All right, so goodbye, Tam-an. Good night.
See you again.
See
Bye
you. Good night.
bye.
Bye.